All right, today we are going to start looking at geometric transformations. Translations will be the first of 4 that we will be looking at and studying this year. And a translation simply means to slide. So if we need to use words to describe the translation from the from the blue figure to the red figure, okay? So the image will always be after the transformation has occurred. So sometimes it'll be a dashed line, so pay attention to the directions. Sometimes it'll be the prime notation. So if you notice that A, B, and C for triangle A prime, B prime, C prime in red, that is the notation of the image. So starting from blue, moving back to red, the way we would describe it in words, very simply put, that it has moved up and to the left. So, let's get a little more specific though. If you follow one vertice, like A, it has moved up 1 place. C has moved up 1 place. B has moved up 1 place. The up and down the vertical is the y-axis, so it's as if the y coordinate has been increased by 1. And to the left, so it has where it started at x is equal to 4, and it ends at x equal to 0. C is 4. So it looks like the x has been translated to decrease or move back by 4. So words are up and to the left, and to give it a numeric value, the x coordinate has moved back or been subtracted by 4, and the y coordinate has been increased or added by 1. So we're going to first, in this example 2, graph a quadrilateral ABCD, and here are the vertices. Then we're going to find the image of each vertex after the translation from, and here's that stated rule of the translation. You start out with the ordered pair, and then add 3 to the x-coordinate and subtract 1. So this translation, if we used words, will appear to go to the right and then down. So let's see what that's going to look like. So we're going to first draw the quadrilateral. Then we're going to add 3 to its x-coordinate and subtract 1 from its y-coordinate. So I want you to take the time that you need to draw the original vertices and the prime notation. So looking at the original blue, if you're just looking at point A, right here, vertex A, and then the new vertex A prime. Okay, can't quite get a dot there. So look what happened. If you look at adding 3, so -1 plus 3 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you can come up with the ordered pairs for the image and then draw the image, making sure to use the prime notation. Okay, what if we have a triangle, RST? Here's the vertices. Let's find the image of each vertex after we translate it, x plus 1 and y plus 2. Graph the image using prime notation. So looking at this, it will go to the right 1 and up 2. So same thing. Start out with your original image and use your labels for the vertices R, S, and T, and then calculate the new ordered pairs and graph the image using the prime notation. So this will be a great way to model your work to keep it straight. So here we have the original, in this case was red, and then because of the prime notation, the image is in blue. So don't worry about it always being that way. even though the way they color coded it here looks a little bit backwards. So starting with R is at vertice 2.2, and then it's going to move to vertice 3.4. And how did that happen? The x plus 1, the y plus 2. Okay, same pattern, plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2. So the prime notation tells us that this is the original right here, and this is the image. All right, even though the color coding is a little bit off, look at the prime notation of each vertice.